Ooh, a Corvette is in. What are we doing with this, Sean?
Full wrap halo.
What's a full wrap halo?
You have like a bunch of glass here and a bunch of glass here, and then all this comes black, but then for some reason the roof doesn't come black and this doesn't come black. So we're gonna make it look like a halo.
So, a panel roof.
Yeah, panel halo.
Hey, can you do that thing where you massage the head? Oh, yeah, that feels good.
Lots of soft hard.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's the spot. I bet Raul loves that every night.
Oh, it feels good, yeah. Feels good, yeah.
Covering?
I'm at the yellow tape.
So this is 6 feet. You know what we need to do though?
We need to go wider for more stretch.
Like, burn your fingers.
Ow! You good? Minimum. Dad, honestly, a little bit more back on.
This little vinyl wrap project on this Corvette is now done. 3 main parts that we worked on: the mirrors, the door handles, and the roof. The mirrors originally was the same color as the car, the silver, so we wrapped this gloss black so it looks a lot sportier now. Stretching a film over it to get it to cover correctly is always difficult. Same thing with the roof. It was silver, but now it's gloss black, so it has like this panel roof style. Last but not least, we also did the door handles on both sides. They were black originally, but they were kind of scuffed and faded and they had some damages. We wrapped them in gloss black too. It looks really clean.
Yellow piece of masking tape, and Tyler noticed it. And we're trying to take it out for the customer. It's right there. Surgery. Very precise work. Oh, my hand will come out with it attached. But,
We got a new wheel in today. It's the CV10 in satin bronze. 10-spoke split design, custom color. It does not normally come with the CV10. These are going on Camaro, but before we actually install these, we're going to be coating these. Speed water, easier to clean, especially with these spokes. There's just so many openings and little cutouts. It's hard to clean, so hopefully with the coating, it should make that job a little bit easier. All right, so now it's the next day. We have all the wheels coated, so now we do a water beading test to make sure that it's beading water.
look at all those beads.
Yeah, so it's beading for sure. Perfect little circles.
Come on, buddy. Ooh. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Wow.
We're actually installing CV10 Vossens onto this Camaro here.
I'll change a wheel.
Stop it! Ow! Dude, that looks nice. Super easy way to make your black car look a little bit sportier is just to put on bronze wheels. Safe color combo that you can't go wrong with. Especially if you go with like a satin or matte bronze, it just looks really mean like this. 20-inch stagger front and rear. We also tighten these down with Vossen lug nuts and wheel locks. Oh, I didn't even notice this, but if you look in the sunlight, there's some metallic flakes in the satin bronze finish. Really love the concavity of the rear wheels, just super deep, which is really nice. The side profile to show you guys how flush it is in the front as well as in the rear. Model X is in with us today. We're doing a chrome delete on this one. We're in the process right now of taking off the badges to get these painted. We're now working on the door handles. So everything is gonna be satin black. You can't hear me, so I can talk shit about it all I want.
Thank you.
Later. Looking like a real stormtrooper now with the black and white theme going on. We did something a little bit different with the tint this time, so this is a bit of a mix and match. Front windows are Cerelux 33, but the back windows are Cerelux 20, so the backs are a little bit darker than the front. Windshield is Photosync 70. Despite having different shades on the front windows and the back windows, heat rejection throughout the entire car is still going to be very, very high. Everything that was once chrome is now satin black, so it's nice and stealthy. My favorite part about the chrome delete is probably the T logo. I like how it's hidden now, especially in the front end. It just looks more subtle. From the fog light strips to the mirrors, the door handles, the window trims, and even the back part, everything is wrapped. Thanks for watching today's vlog. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We hope to have earned your like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.
It's like Japanese Eurobeat music.